guys, welcome back to my channel and happy new week to everyone. I'm here with a Walgreens video and this will be an all digital haul. I used two spend boosters in this video, one paper booster and one digital booster. Thank you all for joining me once again, and if you're new here, I would like to welcome you. And please don't forget to subscribe, that way you cannot miss my weekly videos. At this point, I only have my digital spend booster. So I'm going to do a small transaction and I hope I'll get the paper spend booster with it. What I'm going to pick up will be the nice sandwich bags. They're on sale for buy one get two free, and they're also on sale for $2.79. I'll pick up 3, and with tax, the total will be $3.01. I'll redeem $3 Walgreen cash and pay just 1 cent out of pocket. This transaction actually worked out very well because I got the spend 40 get back $7 Walgreen cash that I will use in my transaction. Using the spend 40 get $7 Walgreen cash paper booster and also the spend 30 get $7 Walgreen cash back digital booster, the first deal I'll pick up will be on Colgate products. They're on the deal of buy 2 get $4 register reward, and some of them are on sale for $4.50. I'm going to pick up 2 of the Colgate Optic Whites on sale for $4.50. Both will total $9. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $5, and I'll get $5 register reward back, making both toothpaste just $1 or 50 cents each. The next deal I'll pick up will be the Gillette disposable razor. It's on sale for $7.99 and it's part of the buy 2 get $8 register reward back. To complete this deal, I'll pick up the Venus disposable razor on sale for $7.99. Both items will total $15.98. We have a $3 digital coupon for the men's, and we also have a $3 digital coupon for the women's. After the 2 coupons, it's going to drop it down to $9.98, and I'll get $8 register reward back, making both $1.98 or 99 cents each. The last deal I'll add to this transaction will be on Dove Men Body Wash. They're on sale for $8, and when you buy 2, you get $3 register reward back. I will pick up 2, and both will total $16. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $12, and I'll get $3 register reward back. Check your Ibotta because it's giving back 3 on each, and also check Fetch because it's giving back 4,000 points when you spend 15, and this is already $16. That will end up making these 2 items free and a $1 money maker. This is what my transaction will look like, and the total for all these items is $40.98. And for the coupons I plan on using, that will be for $10, which will drop it down to $26.98. I plan on using some register reward I previously earned to help lower the out of pocket, and I'll be back with my receipt. Let's go over my receipt and see how everything worked out. The first 3 manufacturers coupon you see are my register reward. I redeemed $16. My 4 off 2 for the Dove came off, and also the 4 off 2 for the Colgate. The last two $3 you see is for the Venus and for the Gillette. I ended up paying $10.98 out of pocket plus tax, and I got back $4 for buying 2 of the Colgate toothpaste and $8 register reward for buying the Venus and Gillette disposable razor, and a $3 register reward for buying 2 of the Dove body wash. And I also received the $7 for the paper booster and another $7 for the digital booster. But when you look at my end this visit, instead of getting back $14, I got back $18. This is my birthday month. I have a 10% back on all my purchases for the month of April. And since I'm spending $40 before coupons, that's why I got back the extra $4. I also submitted my receipt to Ibotta for $3 back on each Dove body wash. That's a total of $6. And I submitted my receipt to Fetch for 4,000 points when I spent 15 on the Dove body wash. This transaction ended up being free and a $7.02 money maker. For this next deal, I tried doing it, but at the register, one of my coupons didn't come off, so I cancelled it. But you can try if you need this product and see if it works out for you, but at least be on the lookout because the second coupon wasn't coming off. And the deal is buy 2 get $5 register reward back, and the Downy fabric refresher is included in this deal. It's on sale for $10.99. Pick up 1 The second item will be the Downy dryer sheets, 240 counts, on sale for $10.99. Both will total $21.98. We have a $3 digital coupon and we also have a $2 digital coupon. The $3 is attaching to both, but my $2 is only attaching to the Downy fabric refresher. Using those two coupons is going to drop it down to $16.98 and you get $5 register reward back, making both just $11.98 or $5.99 each. If you have the digital spend booster of spend 30 get $7 Walgreen cash, what you can do is to add the Colgate deal. Find the Colgate toothpaste on sale for $4.50 and pick up two. You can get the Colgate Max Fresh on sale for $4.50. Two of them are going to total $9. Using the 4 off 2 digital Colgate coupon, it will drop it down to $5 and you will get $4 register reward back, making both just $1 or 50 cents each. This is what this transaction will look like, and the total for these 4 items is $30.98. Using the $3 and $2 Downy digital coupons I mentioned earlier on, and the 4 off 2 digital coupon for the Colgate. Since you're using a spend booster, don't use Walgreen cash. You can use some of your previously earned register reward and pay the rest out of pocket, and you'll get back $5 for buying 2 of the Downy products and a $4 register reward for buying 2 of the Colgate toothpaste, and you also received a $7 Walgreen cash back for the digital spend booster, which will end up making these 4 items just $4.98 or $1.25 each. And this concludes my video today. I hope it was helpful, and thank you all for your support, and thank you all for coming back every week to watch my video, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.